Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the Electronics and Communication Engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. Today we'll be solving only the engineering mathematics portion. We'll be starting off with question number 7. So let's begin. A curve passes through the point x equal to 1, y equal to 0 and satisfies the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square upon twice of y plus y by x. Now the equation that describes this curve is option A, ln of 1 plus y square by x square is equal to x minus 1. This is option A. Option B is 1 by 2 into ln of 1 plus y square by x square is equal to x minus 1. Option C is ln of 1 plus y by x is equal to x minus 1. And option D is 1 by 2 into ln of 1 plus y by x is equal to x minus 1. So these are the four options. So now what we'll do is that let us take, we have been given that dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by twice of y plus y by x. What we'll do, we'll take this equal to t. Now let y by x equal to t. So this implies that y is equal to xt. Now if we try to differentiate, this will give us dy is equal to x dt plus t dx, and ultimately this will give us that dy by dx is equal to x dt by dx plus t. This is dy by dx. This is dy by dx when we have directly differentiated. Now if we try to put dy by dx over here, then this will give us y equal to xt over here. Then this will give us dy by dx is equal to x by 2t plus tx by 2 plus t. So now we equate this and this. So this will give us that x by 2t plus tx by 2 plus t is equal to x dt by dx plus t. This t and this t cancels out, and as you can see all the x will also cancel out, and this will come down to, let me insert a new page over here. So this will give us x dt by dx is equal to x by 2t plus xt by 2. So ultimately solving, we'll get that dx will be equal to, this will give us dt by dx is equal to 1 by 2t plus t by 2. So as you can see that x has been eliminated, and we can now write that dx is equal to twice of t by 1 plus t square dt. This is dx. Now if we try to integrate, then this will give us, on integrating, this will give us that x is equal to ln of 1 plus t square plus c. Now we know that t squared is equal to y by x. So this we can write at x equal to ln of 1 plus y square by x square plus c. Now we know that this passes through the point. Now putting x equal to 1, y equal to 0, we get that 1 is equal to ln of 1 plus 0 plus c, and this is ultimately ln of 1 is nothing but equal to 0. So c is equal to 1. So then we can write that x is equal to ln of 1 plus y square by x square plus 1. So this implies that ln of 1 plus y square by x square is equal to x minus 1, which is the option A. So today we have solved question number 7 from the engineering mathematics portion of ECE GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.